Hello, it's Kim from Alterknit Universe here, and I am going to show you how to pick up and fix a drop stitch in your knitting. I'm just going to show you real quick. I stick my needle in, I bring the little loop over, and then I pop it off the needle. It's very simple. I will go slower in a minute so you can see, but as you can see, I need to work the stitch for every row it was dropped down. It was dropped down 2 rows, and I worked it twice. Then I pop it back on the needle. Ta-da! So let's say I've dropped a stitch here. This is a purl stitch. So it's dropped down 2 rows. What you first need to do is turn your work around so you're looking at it from the knit side. Now, as you can see, there are 2 ladders there for the 2 rows that it came down. First, you want to stick your needle in there, quick, grab it so it doesn't go down anymore. Then you're going to find the lowest most ladder and put it over the tip of your needle. Then you're going to take the stitch and pull it over the top of the needle so that you created a stitch, basically a row above it. Then you're going to look and find the next ladder. Sometimes you might have to fiddle with it a little bit. Once you find it, pop it over the end of the needle, pop the stitch off the needle, hey presto. The last thing you have to do is turn the stitch the right way around, and there you go. Now I'm just sliding these stitches back off of the needle so you can see totally fixed.